Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, a celebration of Brad and Kaleigh. While their responses had individual differences, their answers had many things in common. They both acknowledged that today is bigger than a piece of paper, recognizing them as husband and wife. After building a home and sharing many years together, this wedding ceremony serves as a public declaration of their commitment and the next chapter of their relationship.
I am so excited to see where your next adventure takes you, and I am so excited that you found someone as wonderful as Brad to start your life with. Brad, or as I get to call him now, Brother Brad, thank you for showing Kaleigh what true love is. And thank you for taking the brunt of Kaleigh's daily work rants.
Look, you look beautiful.
Brad is someone who will look after you and take care of you. He's someone you can depend on. He's someone who would drop anything for me if I needed him. I know I'll do that for you. But if he's half as good as a husband as he's been a brother, you're gonna really enjoy your marriage. And I love you both, and I'm so happy for you, and I'm so glad you're together. Cheers to the new Rizzuto.
By the power vested in me, by the Commonwealth of Virginia and www.youcanofficiate.com, it is my honor and privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Brad, you may now kiss the bride.
I think one of the wishes we have for you is obviously to have children someday. I know that was mentioned in there. So the clock's ticking. But I think most of all what we wish for you is, I don't know if the DJ is going to do this tonight, but they have that dance where they ask all the married couples to get on the floor. And then what they do is they say, anyone married 5 years and less, please leave the floor. And then 10 years, leave, and 15. But our wish for you is that in the end, that you are the last couple standing. So we love you. Welcome to the family.